Hi everybody, it's Patti and Debbie from Print and Pixel Studio. Excuse me, and we have another thank you video from one of our viewers. Jannie Lee, who lives in Denmark, was so kind and sent us this fabulous package just stuffed with the most gorgeous napkins. And we're so thrilled with them that we wanted to share with everybody what we got. And all the way from Denmark, which was really special. Yeah, let me pull them out here. Oh, wow.
There's so many.
Oh, my gosh. There are so many. Oh, and look at them. They're beautiful. Oh, pansies, one of my favorites.
Gosh,
yeah.
yes.
Oh, wow, Jannie Lee, this is so nice. My gosh. Oh, they're beautiful.
Wow. Just
Ooh, and the
some
roses.
spring stuff.
Oh, I know. Getting in the mood for that. Oh, this is pretty. Really pretty. Oh my gosh, there's hundreds of them here.
I know. Oh my gosh. They're lovely.
Oh,
my
golly. Well, we for sure have to do some napkin videos. Have to come up. Oh, this is pretty. Really pretty. Oh, and there's such nice quality.
Right? It's beautiful.
I think she was saying that she gets these every time she goes to the market, she finds these. And I'm thinking, why can't we find stuff like this? You know?
I know.
They're just gorgeous. Super pretty. Oh, this is cute. This reminds me of that would be cute with that paper that you did before with the green leaves.
Yes.
Cute. And my gosh, the paper is so nice. Yeah, I don't know why we don't get anything. Oh, I love this.
Oh, that's cute.
This is cute. Yeah, really cute. Oh, yeah, super cute.
I know when I was living in Germany, people don't use paper towels. They would never hand anybody a paper towel to wipe their mouth.
They can't come to my house then.
They use napkins like,
This is neat.
I don't know.
This is a great background.
Oh, yeah, that is neat.
Ooh, so is this. So, yeah.
Yeah, so everywhere I went, and I always thought, oh, gosh, they're so fancy. Everybody, but they use them just as every day with, lunch and coffee.
Oh, they're
and
so
cake
beautiful. Yeah.
And, I don't know.
This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah, we never see anything like this here, ever.
Yeah, at least
Really
down here
nice.
in Florida, not.
Yeah, in Florida.
Everything has seashells on it here, which is
Yeah, if
fine.
you can find them even.
Yeah, right.
This is cute. This is real colorful. This is really pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to start using some of these. Oh, and the toucans. Cute. Love them.
Yeah.
Such the variety, you know?
Right? Ooh, those are
Ooh,
neat.
this is neat. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, gosh, I'm excited now to start doing something. Ooh, I love the lion. Oh, yeah.
Oh, not only is there lions, there's
Oh, my
giraffes.
gosh, giraffes? Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh,
Cute.
how cute is this?
Yeah.
Oh, this would be a lot of fun. Is anybody else sneaking around in there? Nope. Oh, yeah, those are cute. Ooh, lavender.
Ooh,
Love it. Love it. Oh, my gosh, the colors are just beautiful. Ooh, this
are
is cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Feel this paper.
Oh my gosh.
I know. Jeez.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Oh, I know.
Gosh.
Jannie Lee, this is really something. Gee, Merry Christmas. Oh, these are beautiful.
Oh, I love those.
Yeah. Cherry blossoms, aren't they?
yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Beautiful. And magnolias? Ah. Oh, this is pretty. I love this pattern.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
That's it.
Cute,
we have to get
cute. We have to go to Europe
napkin.
now.
Right, yeah. Some
Gorgeous. Oh, I love this. We're going to have a lot of fun with these. A lot of fun.
Yeah.
These are really, really cute. Really pretty. Well, get your thinking cap on because
Right.
we got to come up with some ideas
Right.
now. Gee, many Christmas.
Leave us some comments on how to craft with napkins.
Right, right. Send us
Right,
ideas.
we need some. Because, man, there's a lot.
This is pretty. This
Yes,
goes with
that's
that
very
eucalyptus
similar
like you
one that
had.
we
Yeah.
had, yeah.
That would be pretty mixed with that one.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Ooh, cute with the butterflies. Love it. Oh yeah, this is really cute. Really cute. My gosh.
I love that one too.
I know.
Cute.
Oh yeah, this is super cute. Super cute. Even the little trim is so
Yeah.
adorable.
That is.
Yeah, isn't it? Very cute. So Janie Lee, do you use these in your crafts? And what do you make with them? You've got to send us some inspiration here.
Right.
These are really, really cute. Well, we got a lot of videos here. Really, really cute. Really cute.
So different and unique. So many different
I know.
styles. And,
I know.
wow.
This is really Florida-ish.
Yeah.
Mhm. Really, really pretty. God, I can't believe it. I can't get over the colors.
I know, right?
Well, these are just gorgeous. I can't wait to start making some stuff now.
I know.
So that'll probably be our video next week.
Yes, I think we should.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Janie Lee, I said we were going to make those swing tags this video, but we're not. Obviously, we're not not in the video of your napkins, but in the video before this, like if you watch that video, you'll know we had a little surprise visitor come to our family. Well, she wasn't really a surprise visitor. We've been expecting her, but a new little grandbaby. So we didn't get as much done as we wanted to for that video. So this next coming video, we will make those swing tags so that you can get a better idea how they're made. But anyway, and possibly you'll see some of your napkins in there.
For sure.
To make them. So thank you so much. We're just thrilled to death, and to come all the way from Denmark, it was really a surprise and a special treat. Thank you, thank you, thank you.